Hello guys, so ngayon guys, naglaro tayo guys ng ML2. So di natin alam guys kung sino guys yung modder. So tingnan natin guys, maglaro tayo guys ng ML2. Ingat! Nanalo agad tayo guys. So innocent win guys, so just wait me guys. So sa tingin ko guys, dito to guys sa Biolab. Kasi guys, dito guys ay maluwag. Kasi naman to guys masikip din no. So tara na guys, aandar na. So ngayon guys, sheriff guys, nakuha natin. So tingnan natin guys kung sino yung mod. Just wait that guys. Guys, medyo guys malag. Guys, hindi ko guys alam kasi guys yung mod. Walang tayong coin. Oh guys, nanalo tayo. Just and victory. And then hindi natin guys napatay guys yung mod. So tingin ko guys yung mod guys yung cheater. Palit-ulit ako. So guys, sana guys sa guys yung mod. Ang ingay guys. Pasayaw-sayo pa sila dun oh. Oh my gosh, chef agad guys. Chef again. So thank you MM2. Guys, sumatay tayo jumper guys yung mod. Okay lang yun guys. So guys, naririnig nyo yun. Nilulupot ako guys, naririnig ko yun. Tingnan nyo. Wicked bound to finish. bright than bikini, bright na.
Haha guys, so just in the shade natin yan eh. So, please magpapabigay pages ng comment, like, and done. So, following
Guys, ang nakuha natin ay innocent na naman. Babaeng to. Sige na guys, bye! Love you, ingat!